Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to empty trash on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to empty trash on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone, and after opening your Gmail app guys, on this interface, in order to clear our trash on Gmail, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us over here at the top left corner. So tap on that three-lined icon at the top left, and this kind of panel or menu will appear where we will be required to scroll down over here. And if you scroll down, you can find the trash button or the trash option available for us over here. Just below the spam, tap on trash over here, and this kind of interface will appear of your trash can of your Gmail. And at the top of the screen guys, you can see there is the button where it says empty trash now. Now in order to empty your trash on Gmail, tap on the empty trash now button over here, and this kind of box will appear where you can see the empty button. Tap on the empty button, and then your trash on your Gmail will be emptied and cleared out. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to empty your trash on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.